Hello guys, I want to outline a project that I'm doing, which is a wood duplicator for some violins that I'm attempting to make. I started out building the wooden supports for the metal rails by laminating 4 1x4s and then trimmed them up with my planer. The lengths of these supports, color yellow and black, are 39 inches. Each rail alone, the metal rail, is 940 millimeters or 37 inches long. The height of each rail is 20 millimeters or 0.74 inches. As you can see, I'm not done painting the supports, which I elected to do gold and black. The reason I'm uploading this video before I'm finished with the project is that I think I received an excellent bargain on rails and linear bearings from a company called Glycern, and I separated the N because it looked like an M when it was put together. So it's Glycern Machine Tools, and they are located in 2 places. One where you call up to order them, and then the other address is where you pick them up in Torrance, California. So you order by the 310-570-2621 phone number, and you pick them up at the 310-570 CNC1 or 2621. I guess those are the same. And then the fax number is 310-933-1737. Their website is glycern.com. And the other reason that I want to show you the bargain I got is because I spent considerable time trying to find some that were reasonably priced. And what I came up with was a range from $250 to $350 for just a linear bearing. And they went all the way up to the thousands. I'm not sure of the quality and why they were so expensive. They were just over the top. So I thought, well, I'm not going to be able to make this project as nice and classy as I want, or sturdy. So, but I finally found this website, and I was able to purchase 2 rails, 20 millimeters by 940 millimeters, with 4 linear bearings for $159. So it is time for a disclaimer. I am not sponsored by anyone to deliver this information. I just found that if you're not aware of what's out there and you want a stable system, then you'll spend too much money for the same thing. If anybody else has a different supplier with a better deal, just leave it in the comments below. Well, I got my order from the internet catalog, and what I did is a product search titled Linear Motion Guides, or rails. And what popped up was a single picture of 2 rails with 4 bearings, and it was titled SBR Linear Motion Guides. And it describes some details of it. Then I clicked on that, and it went to the second application, and you click on that, and then you'll have the sizes and the price of each one. And the product details here, the one I picked was SBR 20-1240, 20 millimeters by 940 millimeters. In any case, they have as short as 13 inches or 340 millimeters, or as long as 2640 millimeters or 2,640 millimeters, or 103 inches or 8 feet and close to 6-inch lengths. I'll scan over the contact information to help you write it down. I'm new at this video stuff and wouldn't have a clue to how I would put it on the video, so I'll just show it to you. order numbers and dimensions, the SBR 20 1240, 2 rails, 4 blocks, $159. This is some product details that you can read online. And if you just go to glycern.com, you can pick up all this information as well. Apparently they have 2 locations. One is for ordering and one is for pickup. Thanks guys, and I'll be uploading some more detailing how this project goes along.